Christmas.
Hey, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. I am unboxing two things. I'm unboxing for today my advent calendar. Don't mind the little 3, it fell off. But this is what I got for day 1. I got the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. And then for day 2, I got the Cetaphil Gentle Face Scrub. Really good. And then for day 3, for today, because today is December 3rd, I got the Pixie Glow Tonic. Looks like this. Super cute. And if you're here for me to unbox something, dun, 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 I got my new phone. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys because my friend Alex wants me to unbox it for you guys. So I will. I hate that there's tape on here. Alright, let me just use a pen. Alright, just taking out tape. This was supposed to come yesterday. So here's me unboxing it. And my first impression. So the first thing, that their cell phone. And then ta-da! Look how beautiful it is. It's so pretty. This is the 12 Pro Max. I don't know how many gigabytes this is. Oh well. 128 gigabytes. Oh my lord. Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. So let's just do the satisfying. Oops. That was so satisfying. So here it is. It's really pretty. I got the graphite one. And oh, look how pretty she is. She is so pretty. Okay, I don't want. Okay, so here's the phone. Really pretty. Oh, it's cold. And here's the little, I don't know what these are for, but we have a little pamphlet. Ooh, apple sticker. I love apple stickers. And then there's the, I think this is the, so we have the SIM card, the SIM card thing, adapter, and then the, I don't know what it's called, probably the SIM card adapter thingy. And then you have like instructions. And then here is the charging thing. There's no block, but that's okay. I'll buy one. So here she is. It's very pretty. Oh, I don't do that again. Okay, so here's the satisfying sound. Ready? Oh, she is so pretty. Ooh. I feel like a brand new bitch. Alright, and then I'm going to put a phone case on. So if you've seen my Vlogmas Day 2, I believe, or Day 1, I got the Sonic Bahama Clear Coat Series. This is the phone case that I have. And I also am getting today the one from Shein that I ordered. So I'll put that in the vlog too. Ooh, this is so pretty. So just put her in. Case like so. She's in the case. Looks very pretty. So it's turning on. Alright, slide up. I'm gonna click English. United States. Okay, so I'm going to set up this phone and I'll be right back. So hey guys, I am filming on my new phone. I'm obsessed with it. And yeah, so I'm going to go outside, help my aunt with the Christmas decorations, and let's go. Sitting outside and I'm just watching the Christmas decorations. So over here we have tinsel, then we have bows, then we have a soldier, then we have a candle, some tinsel, and then another bow, and the same thing over here. And then there's the branches right there. And my aunt's just putting up the elf on the shelf. He's actually on a present. Then I think we're getting one more blow up. I don't know, probably. So yeah, this is what we have so far. And we might put on the tree right here, the town tree, we might put like red and green Christmas lights, or maybe red and white to make it like a candy cane. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just making coffee. I just put out the blow up outside and changed my shirt because it's a little hot outside. So, ooh, that's a lot of coffee. All right. So let's just make coffee. Alright, that's about good. And we'll just fill it up. So I'm just filling up the coffee maker. And then I just hit start. And then, yeah, so let's make coffee when it's done. Iced coffee is such a good time. Iced coffee is such a good time.
Hello?
Yay, it's done. So we're just putting the coffee in a little cup, like so. Taking my glass straw, and then let's get stir. Putting the lid on. And ta-da! It's done. So before I end this vlog, my sister ordered me Dunkin' and her too. She ordered me a iced coffee with whole milk and a vanilla shot. So good. And then when I got my phone transferred, I'm actually keeping my old phone, which is this one, because I paid it off in full. And so I'm just ending this vlog, but not yet. I also went to T-Mobile and I got a new phone dock because, you know, with my new phone, it doesn't have, I can't use this block. I have to use a different block. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Come back for vlogmas day 4 for tomorrow. Probably gonna be very exciting. I don't know what I'm doing, but stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, tap the bell so you get notified that I posted a brand new video so you don't miss an upload. And again, use my code suzielightbodyyy for 15% off kimber.com, linked down below. I love you guys so much. See you guys tomorrow, vlogmas day 4. Bye, loves.